What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! I hope you're having a great week. And I also hope that you had a happy Easter and enjoyed your time with the family. I hope the weather was as fantastic for you as it was for me. I was really busy this weekend, so I apologize for any of you that I haven't commented back or replied back to recently because I was very tied up with family things. You know, it was a nice weekend and just, you know, it's getting to be that springtime. Anyways, if this is your first time here, I do appreciate you coming. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, you know, ring that bell so you can get these notifications on these videos. But we're going to talk about something here. We got the Mac Tools Outdoor Flyer. And I wasn't going to do anything on this because I'm really not that big on doing the power tool thing. You know, I mean, there's 9 billion channels that do, you know, like walk-arounds and talk about power tools. And most of the guys have absolutely no idea or use them for that fact of the matter. But anyways, nonetheless, I thought this was very interesting. So Mac has the new Pruner tool, which if you're doing outdoor work, I'm sure this could be handy. If not, whatever, it's not really that big a deal. And everybody always says, well, it's kind of odd that Mac sells these kind of things on the truck, but that's not the real point of this. The real interesting thing is Mac's really being competitive on the truck, and I want to show you something. We're going to look, this is an Amazon price of $249.90 for the 20 volt Max Pruner kit, which is the same as what's on the Mac truck, $249. And you see here it's $224 with the battery, charger. I believe it's charger. Is it battery? We have the bundle, Pruner with the 6.0 battery bundle, which I thought was pretty interesting considering the fact it doesn't say it actually has a charger, but nonetheless, still $224, saving $95 off the Mac truck, beat Amazon price, which when you look at cordless tools on any tool truck, there isn't a tool truck out there that has a reasonable cordless tool truck price. And Mac is offering that now with DEWALT, and that's the ability they have. One thing that I've always said about the advantage of Mac tools, and if they get their shit together, is that they have the ability to really push DEWALT. I'm a DEWALT fan. I know a lot of you guys are, but let's look at some more. So here we have the 20 volt 12-inch chainsaw kit for $264.95, the 20 volt Max. And I got to tell you, I was out actually trimming some trees yesterday with my cousins, and $269.99 for the 18-inch tool only. Is that this one, DEWALT 18-inch? Yes, 18-inch 60 volt Max. And then the 60 volt Max 20-inch saw, $349, $269, and $264. Okay, so let's check out the Amazon price. So here you can see we have the 20 volt chainsaw, bare tool, one size, $299. The tool only here is $349. That's not a bad deal considering the fact that you're going to be making payments to a tool truck. 0% interest. Just saying. $50 and you're going to have a dealer take care of you, which I definitely like the customer service of a tool truck. I've always said that if you have a good dealer and you have a good customer service with your tool truck, I will gladly pay $50 more just for that service. It's more personalized and I don't have to mess around. But nonetheless, let's look at some of the other ones. $269, $264. Let's check out the 20 volt Max 12-inch chainsaw kit. $243.76 for the same exact kit on Amazon. And then we have $219 for the 18-inch bare tool only. $219. Wow. I gotta say that, I mean, you're looking at $219 versus $269, $264 versus $243. That's not bad. $243 versus $264. $20. Made in the USA chainsaw. 20 volt Max XR for that kit. And I'll tell you what, that 12 volt compact chainsaw, that'd get the job done for you if you had a couple trees you needed to whack up. Because I've used my Milwaukee hatchet a couple times. And I'll be honest with you, I'm kind of interested in getting that 12-inch compact chainsaw kit because that's just a nice option to have. And not only that, with another 5.0 battery. I mean, the 5.0 batteries are like $80, so this isn't a bad deal. Anyways, we got they have the FLEXVOLT batteries here too for $239.99 with a fast charger. A fan-cooled fast charger, I might add. And then we have the hedge trimmer for $269.98. And then we have the blower, which this was another deal that kind of I do have the Beaver, not the Beaver. I have the Chemo blower, but I thought if I ever run across the DEWALT deal, I actually kind of like these cordless blowers. I have a steel blower, but I'll be honest with you, I kind of like the cordless ones because I can just charge it, and for no more than I use it and cleaning out the shop. You know what, guys? These blowers are absolutely awesome for blowing off your bays, blowing out your shops quick. That way you don't have to pull cord on a gas blower. These are really nice for just cleaning off stuff quick. Versus, or you could use a blowgun, I guess, too, if you got your air. But dragging the air hose out, you can just grab these. I have mine setting by the toolbox. Anyways, we have the 20 volt, Flex 20, 60 volt max battery, 139, and then the 20 volt, 60 volt max battery, 12 amp for 224. Power stack, we don't have a price on this, but we all know the power stack is definitely a sweet battery pack platform, and it's probably going to be changing in a way a lot of them are. I've heard a couple of good things about this 20 volt max 500 PSI power cleaner tool, $309.98. That's kind of neat. Basically getting your own whole power washer tool instead of having a whole machine. You can have this for $309. So 550 PSI isn't the most powerful, but it's also a handy tool that you don't have to drag around with a bunch of stuff. We have the 20 volt max half gallon wet dry vac for $174.99. That actually comes with a battery, 4 amp hour. Then we have the Bluetooth radio. I mean, this is also a job site radio. You can't go wrong with these things. Beat them around, take them out camping. I have an old Craftsman one. I love it because it's Bluetooth. They're rugged, durable, $189.99. They're definitely awesome. So, anyways, guys, I just thought I'd do this video quick. A little DEWALT deal on the Mac stuff. I found it interesting that the prices were actually very, very fair and affordable for a tool truck, and they're willing to finance this stuff, which is absolutely mind-blowing to me. So that means that Mac really does have an advantage over power tools, over any other tool truck on the market. So anyways, guys, remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.